Liz, he's gonna get you. Get him, Justin. Get her, Justin.
Get her!
Stop it! Stop it!
Stop! Shoot her!
Run, Liz! Not right at him! Run away!
Look at Justin's face!
You're mine!
Here! I'll help you!
Andrew! Get away from your sister! No! Andrew!
Max, stop the screaming.
I'm helping her!
You know what? Come here so I can spank your butt.
Don't you miss it? Honey, that sunset's gonna be nice tonight.
I know, honey.
Here, I'll help you.
I'll help you and put you right in front of Justin's gun.
Shoot her back!
There you go. There you go.
Yeah, get her!
Get her back!
Don't press the motor, Justin!
Andrew! Andrew! Come here, right now.
What did I do?
You don't listen.
You're aggravating.
Shoot her back!
Come here.
I don't want you.
Put your hand right there so you step on
Shoot her back.
What's the matter? What?
Shoot her. Justin, shoot her back. Shoot her back, Justin.
Back, quick, she's right there.
Yeah, she doesn't like it. She doesn't like it, so shoot her.
Shoot her back! Turn it! Turn it!
Leave your sister alone. You understand me?
Justin, shoot her back.
Justin, shoot her back! Now, Liz, I'm going to tell Andrew to come after you now.
Get her back! Get her back!
Get her back, Justin. Well, Liz, you should have stopped when he said so. Get her, Justin.
Get her!
Shoot her!
I'll help you!
Oh, this is love. Get her in the ear! Get her, Justin! Shoot, Liz! Tell him, Max. Max, go settle it for him.
Shoot it!
Andrew! I told you to let go.
Get her! Shoot her back!
Stop doing it to me!
Well, why don't you stop?
Stop, Justin, and now stop!
Come on, Carol.